Are you looking for the ultimate lifestyle property in the Marlborough Sounds? Just a short drive from Havelock or Picton at that? Well, this property is a must-see. Hi, I'm George Ryan, and alongside my colleague Will Porter from Bayleys Real Estate, we are so excited to show you our listing here at 888 Queen Charlotte Drive. Come on, let's go take a look. This is the complete package. The main residence is large in size and has been finished with beautiful macrocarpet timbers throughout. A two-bedroom self-contained cottage, fantastic implement sheds, well, there you have it. If this property looks like you and you'd like to organise a viewing, give us a call today and we'll make it happen.